Wake up, little one.
Grandpa?
Time to get up.
Okay.
Good girl. Wake.
My glass!
Almost done, beta. Hold still.
It's pulling so much.
Listen carefully. We must act now before it is too late. The consequences will be irreversible. There, a clean cut. Yes, it looks perfect. The scissors are still sharp, and the razor glides smoothly. The brush is soft as always. I have something for you.
For me, thank you.
You are welcome, my dear.
Grandpa, look, Dolly is happy today.
Yes, beta, she loves playing with you.
I love her too.
Come sit on chair for transformation.
I don't know what to do. I'm so scared.